Today is day 3. We have already had our breakfast. We're just about to head out. We're going for tree trekking, and the girls will also do their mini tree trekking. And we are walking because we've ultimately given up on cycling.
You are walking.
We are walking.
No, you. We are cycling.
Are you cycling?
Yes, I am.
Are you cycling?
Yes.
Then I'm cycling. With you girls? Yeah.
You guys, you are walking, yeah?
We will walk.
You are walking.
Team walking.
Team cycling.
Come, mommy. Okay.
Let's go. Let's do this.
Getting ready to go for tree trekking. Yes, we are walking. The mummies are walking and dad. And here comes the famous cascade way. Well, let me tell you, Maina, this path nearly killed us, especially with cycling uphill. Sorry for another day. Here we've got the adventure golf where you can play golf for the whole family. And we're getting strapped to go for the tree trekking. The best part about the tree trekking, it ends with a zip wire flying right over the lake. Wish us luck. Come with us.
Oop. Good luck.
I'm gonna leave. Next time. I can't go yet because there are 2 people on the platform. I have to leave. That is how far up we are. Say cheese. Cheese. You ready? Up. Let's do this. What zip is at the top? Whoa! On to the next one. What is this? Not too bad. Did I say not too bad? I lied. It's very wobbly. How are we getting to where you are?
You got yeah, it's just to be fair, if you go to the edge, one hand on the thing, the other hand for balance, you do it. It's okay, you're strapped in, you can't fall.
Nearly there. We made it. We are nearly there. Yeah.
When you get above that big pond in the lake, just grab onto your ropes and push them away from your face.
Okay.
Right, then 3, 2, 1, go!
This is us. We finished after. Yeah. So much fun.
Oh, my lashes. I still have them.
They're still on you. It's now Brian's and Sam's turn to go for tree trekking. Tree trekking ready.
Let's go. Go.
Let's go find them.
We're doing in the tent to go for swimming.
The mommies and daddies going?
To big water slide.
Yay, big water slides. This place is surrounded by lush green palms, warm waters, and the sound of laughter. Oh, this place really does live up to its name. Whether you're gliding down twisting water slides or floating along the lazy river or braving the wave pool, there's something here for every kind of water lover. And if adventure isn't your thing, then don't worry. You can just sit back, relax, and let the subtropical vibes take over. It's just beautiful. It's the perfect spot to make unforgettable family memories.
Here we go. was it?
It was nice! Wow, what a day. We've been on the slides all afternoon and honestly we're exhausted. But wow, it was fun. Every twist and turn and the splash was totally worth it. Tomorrow the adventure continues, so we are off on the boat ride and then straight to the sports plaza for a competitive game of pool. Can't wait to see who will be at the top. Obviously not me. Stay tuned.